the medical fraternity, especially the students' body nationwide, has chosen to show its disgust to the draconian policies that are being enacted every day by our government, Uganda. It should go on record that we are not happy with the ongoing state about the medical students and medical internships.
It is not only happening at Gulu. All the districts which have medical schools are demonstrating today.
I finished my MBCHB from Mulago, Makerere University, and we were supposed to have started internships 3 weeks ago. However, up to now, the Ministry of Health has not given us any official communication. We've not been posted, so we do not know where we are supposed to go.
Rwanda is paying better pay. Kenya is paying 1.5 million. Uganda is paying 600,000 to intern doctors. And what still, their intention is to scrap this 600,000. What is the motive of the government of Uganda? It's a question we give ourselves.
We are also awakening the public that is not about interns, not about medical students, but about their health.